Mami, inform mo si Mami Melo ha. Ba si Eva?
Hi, Tita Angel.
Uy,
Hello?
whoa.
I think I'll get paid in this game.
Wait, Eva ha, wait, before we play. Wait.
Hello?
Eva, wait. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Sorry, I'm currently on a focus playing right now, sorry. And because I'm still at work. Ooh, somebody's flying.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, I thought you meant by the wings.
I'm trying to be as how do you call it?
Huh?
Wait.
Nice.
I'm trying to be aggressive as much as possible. Ooh, shotgun. Okay. Change.
I would normally stay in the middle of the circle and just wait for some people.
That's okay.
Or, stay in the circle.
Ah, someone's there.
Uh, I'm with, my dad, and he says hi.
Hey, Kuya James. Good evening. Actually, I'm still working, Eva.
Good evening,
Good evening, Kuya James.
sir.
How are you? How are you?
Pagod y masakit.
Ooh. Why masakit?
Got a cold.
Oh no. Did Ate Isles
Yeah, me too.
give you sickness?
I'm sorry. Another legendary shotgun.
Yeah. Come on.
I'm gonna be right back.
Sure, no problem, Ava. I'm just waiting to finish work as well. I'm stressed at work, so that's why I'm playing right now while at work. Ooh. Nami, Kuya James has colds.
I'm back.
Hey Ava, Tita Dimple is here. She said hi. She
Yeah, I
misses
heard
you.
it.
Oh, you heard her. Nami, gabi.
Hello.
It's night time. No, it's 7 already. They're in an Eastern
It's
time.
only 6.
Oh, 6. Oh, so still it's still in the evening.
Yeah, it's still the afternoon. Huh?
They went to
Over here.
they went to Calapan last weekend.
Mm. I
Whee!
think there's a person that's trying to get you.
Yeah, but he couldn't shot me. Too bad.
I think it might have been an NPC.
And I have the medallion already from Hades, which is I'll be much more faster and agile. So we will meet halfway there. Come on.
There's only 3 people left.
Yep.
So there's one NPC and maybe
Maybe
one more player.
yeah, one more player. Hmm.
Check on the mountain.
No, no worries. He'll come to me. I'm in the center of the actual safe zone. So he will come eventually to me. See? He's here.
He's on it. Oh. Do you have like a spray gun? Oh no.
No worries. I'm still alive.
Yay.
They would never
Make
kill
sure
me.
Make sure that he doesn't come up from the top.
No, he will come. Let him be.
Yeah, shoot. Oh, there he is.
Oh, see? He's dead.
That actually helped him.
Yeah. He killed himself. Then here's the other guy.
It's so annoying when they just dodge your shots and you just want to win.
Ah! Ha ha! Ha ha!
My dad says nice.
Thank you, Kuya James.